Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It is me, Giselle, and today I'm coming to you with a Christmas Cheer Squad shirt. And it's February. Okay, so don't mind my hair, trying some new products out. I hate them. Give you an update in a couple of weeks. So in a couple of videos, I'll give you an update with different hair products I've been using and testing out. But anyway, in today's video, we are going to be testing out a foundation. So what I have is the new, kind of new, semi-new, new to me, saw it in the drugstore. Actually, I've had this foundation for a while. Saw it in the drugstore a couple months ago, had to pick it up. It is the new Wet n Wild Photo Focus Stick Foundation, and I have two shades. I have the shade Golden Tan and Toffee Pecan. So if you guys have been, some OG subscribers, I have loved the Photo Focus foundation in the liquid form, and I know they just came out with a dewy finish. The liquid, or the original, the original formula is like a nice semi-matte, velvet matte finish. It's not like super drying like the Fenty Beauty foundation is, but it's not, super dewy. So they came out with a dewy finish Photo Focus as well. So if you guys would like for me to try that out, just let me know in the comments down below. But today I'm going to be sharing with you my thoughts. I already have thoughts on this foundation, and I'm going to show you a wear test so you can just see how the foundation, words is hard today, how the foundation wears throughout the day. So let's get to it. On Wet n Wild's website, we're going to go ahead and read what the description says. So, slay all day, play all night in this long-lasting multitasking cover stick, currently available in 21 widespread shades that are flattering to a wide range of skin tones. The Photo Focus Stick Foundation delivers long-lasting coverage and breakthrough, lightweight, multi-dimensional formula that applies to a flawless semi-matte finish. Blah, blah, blah. It says other things. So, 21 shades. However, in this clip that you will see, that when I went to, CVS, they didn't have all 21 shades. I want to say they had a good 12, 16 maybe. So, definitely, you'll probably see all the shades online. I don't know if all of the stores like Target, Walmart, Walgreens, CVS, Ulta may carry all 21 shades, but if you go to any drugstores, which will be cheaper, they probably won't carry all 21 shades, which is a bummer. So on the Wet n Wild website, it ranges, or the cost is $5.99. However, at Ulta Beauty, it is $6.49. At Walmart, it is $3.68. Why does it say that at Target it's $2.59? Let me see. What is this? Are they having a sale that I don't know about? Oh, it's only one shade. Oh, and it's my shade. Is this out of stock? Oh, I'm gonna buy it. But yeah, at Walmart it's $5.99. I mean, not Walmart. At Target it's $5.99. They have a sale on my shade Toffee. So if you guys are Toffee, it is $2.59 right now at Walgreens. Oh, I can't say these stores. Okay, so if you guys are Toffee in this foundation, it is $2.59 right now at Target, online, not in stores. So if you go through the app, you'll see it. Anyway, so the price is around, $3.60 to $6. $7 depending on where you get it. So of course your cheaper places will be to get it from like Walmart or maybe a drugstore like Walgreens or CVS, and usually the most expensive place to get these products is Ulta, but I believe Ulta carries all or more shades than the drugstores will. So double-edged sword, really. All right, so let's get on with the actual review. So I've already done my skin care routine. My face is moisturized and prepped. I'm gonna go ahead really quick and just prime my face. And what I do is my normal skin, like when I put on foundation, it's the normal way I put on foundation. So my primer is the Black Radiance True Complexion Primer. Toffee is my shade. I really thought that the Golden Tan would be my shade because I'm Golden Tan in the liquid form. So you cannot go off, if you do have the first liquid photo focus foundation, you can't go off what you are in that foundation because the shades are not the same. Because that foundation, that match with the liquid form is like a perfect match for me. I've never found a foundation that was so close to my skin tone. Like, that's one of the best matches I've had. So, and then the Toffee is it's a good match. It's, yeah, it's a tad, I would say just a tad bit darker, just a tad. But once you blend it out, it's okay. But what I like to do is I just smear it on my face. So this foundation is like super creamy. It glides on very well. So the only thing I don't like about stick foundation, some of them can be like super dry. Like when I go to put it on my face, why is it so dry going on my face? So this one is super creamy and it's not dry at all. It doesn't tug on the skin when you put it on. It's easy to blend out. So damp sponge, I like to go through and just really press it in. You can build it up. So there's a couple spots where I missed. I need a little bit more coverage. All right, so now we're gonna do a little bit of concealing with the lighter shade. Since I bought it, I'm going to use it. And this is the Golden Tan. And I'll just go through right here. And just place it. But it just blends so seamless. And you guys know I don't like my highlights to be that crazy because, ooh, your girl in the beginning of her makeup journey, her highlights were crazy. Now that we have the base done, I think I'm gonna stop right here. I think for my foundation reviews, we're just gonna focus on the foundation to see how it works. I don't want anything else interfering with it. So this is just focusing on the foundation. So I went and just set it because if I don't set it, then it'll just be like crazy. But yeah, tell me if you guys like foundation reviews, or for my foundation reviews to just be foundation and nothing on top of it. No full face or anything like that. So let me know in the comments down below. However, I am gonna put on some brown mascara and some mascara because I need a little bit of definition. So we're gonna come back. It is now 12:30. If you can see, it is, let me pull up my screen. There we go. It is 12:22. So we'll be back in a couple of hours to see how this is wearing. It is now 4:25. I've been cleaning all day. I've been sweating. And my face still looks really, really good. Like, not having any breakage around my mouth or my smile lines. Well, no, it's broken up a little bit around my smile lines, just a little bit, not even too much to be mad about. I'm a little bit oily, so I would say that my natural oil started to come through around like closer to 3. So it's been about what, 4 hours? We started at 12:30. Yeah, so about 4 hours. And my oils are just now starting to peek through, but it doesn't look like it's anything, you know, terrible. It just looks like I have a good hydrated amount of, I don't know, skin. But yeah, this is how my face looks. Don't mind, I didn't feel like getting behind my camera and doing all of that. So, and plus this is gonna be changing very soon, so make sure you subscribe. I'm gonna do a full room makeover to my beauty room anyway. But yeah, this is what my face looks like. I will be back in about maybe 4 hours to give you guys the final look. So, final check-in. It is now 7:42. I've had this foundation on for about 7.5 hours or 7 hours, and definitely oily. Like, we can tell that we are shiny. So let's just go ahead and blot really quick. So this is how much makeup we got off from blotting. And really, after you blot, like, it looks fresh. Like, my oils don't look that bad at all. So it's really, really not a bad foundation. I really love this foundation. It's lightweight. It's very long wearing, especially for like a work day. If you work like a 9 to 5, you know, 8-9 hours a day, and you just want to look, you know, fresh, even skin, professional, like not caked on, don't have to do a lot with this foundation, then, you know, it is great. This is the foundation for you. It didn't break up. Yeah, it didn't settle. Well, it settled a little in my smile lines, just a little bit, settled a little bit, but other than that, this foundation is really good. I really like it. It's breathable and very natural looking. So if you're a beginner and you're looking for a foundation that's easy to wear, that's not cakey, and it leaves your skin looking very natural, then this is definitely a good foundation to, you know, tip your toes in just to try out. So if you guys like this video, if you like this review, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel so you can see all of the wonderful things I have coming for you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.